Now we want to take part on our African history. Alright, so this question is much more based on Anglo-Ndebele War. So we need to know what was the Anglo-Ndebele War. Many candidates, they confuse the Anglo-Ndebele War with the First Chimurenga. Whereas the Anglo-Ndebele War, it was a war which was known as the War of Dispossession. It was a war between the Ndebele, that is the Kumalo, and the white settlers. And one of their major concerns was that they had disputes over the control of the Shona. And so what was happening is it was a war which was fought between 1893 to 1894 between the Ndebele and the Kumalo, and the white settlers. So the question says, examine the causes of the Anglo-Ndebele War of 1893 and determine who was to blame. We want to determine who was to blame. So concerning the causes of the Anglo-Ndebele War, the question demands the candidates to evaluate what was the major cause of the Anglo-Ndebele War. So a good candidate in this case, what you can do, you can group your causes into long-term causes and short-term causes. So in the long-term causes, these were effects which were manifested by the whites. So at the same time whereby you are evaluating the long-term causes, you will be bringing up the ideology that the whites are to be blamed. Then on the non-affirmative side, where you say it was the short-term causes which caused the Anglo-Ndebele War, you'll be blaming the Ndebele. So in your introduction, you are going to include the fact that the Anglo-Ndebele War, it was a war which occurred, or it was a war which came into existence after the Ndebele and the white have got long-term and short-term effects, cannot long-term and short-term conflicts. And so in terms of the long-term causes, we've got disputes over the control of the Shona, the boundary question, among other factors. Because of those perspectives, we blame the whites because they were not the one who first came here in Zimbabwe. However, one can also say the Anglo-Ndebele War was caused by the Ndebele basing on the short-term causes such as the Bere incident and the Victoria incident. Those are why gonna quit. Very simple wotonakirwa question. And sakatiri papo, what have manifested to the outbreak of the Anglo-Ndebele War was the dispute over the control of the Shona. In this perspective, it was the event whereby the white settlers, when they came and raised their Union Jack in 1890 after the Pioneer Column, they started to control the Shona. They started to use the Shona in terms of forced labor and whatsoever. Saka, what was happening now was that the Ndebele people, they treated Mashona land as their raging ground, according to S. Mujenge and H.V. Moyana. Whereas the white settlers, they were now treating the Shona people as their slaves who provided the cheap labor. So what have caused the war was that they continued to have a conflict whereby then the Kumalo were saying, takagara tichiita sei tichiinda kunoreda kumashona land, why are you resisting us to keep on our raiding practices in Mashona land, whereas we are the owners of this area in particular, because they believed that they controlled the whole Zimbabwe, whereas the white settlers, according to Jameson, they were saying the Shona were now under our control. So it was the long-term causes which caused the outbreak of the war, and we blame the whites. Why are you blaming the whites? The whites were the one who have came after the Ndebele have instituted their jurisprudence upon the Shona. Man, the whites angagara uya kutotonga mashona udara. Saka Mandevele, I mean. Saka ma whites ndo atino blame noti vayoda kuya kuzokambira whereas vamwe vanga vakutokontrola vanhu kudara. Furthermore, we've got the issue of the boundary question. In the issue of the boundary question, it is the ideology whereby we observe that it was now Jameson who was now saying the boundary was now to be shifted from Matebele land to Shashi area. So it was not a good approach to the Ndebele. Why? They were saying that the boundary was keep on shifting towards Matebele land, as according to H.V. Moyana and